The role of benchmarking in agriculture has just increased exponentially in the last 20 years. You may well be part of a benchmarking group yourself. The role of business benchmarking is to establish targets which businesses need to aim for if they are to be successful. Our concern with benchmarking is with the ever-increasing number of facets of the business which are being measured, you may well end up being more confused than you were before you started. Indeed, incorrect use of benchmarking can actually lead to poor and ill-informed business decisions and can be quite dangerous for your business. So, a few words of wisdom on benchmarking. No two businesses are exactly the same. It's simply not possible. The neighbours will have different soils to you, different rainfall patterns to you, and will manage their business completely differently to you. So to compare your business with theirs may not be all that relevant. Secondly, compare apples with apples. Make sure you are using benchmark data from a similar business with similar enterprises in a similar climate. Some of the benchmarking groups draw data from all over the state and all over the country. Make sure what you're using is relevant to your business. It's also really important that you understand what you're measuring and how you're going to use it. So if you have some data at your disposal, make sure if you don't understand it, you have it adequately explained, and that the decisions you implement around trying to improve those areas will actually achieve what you're setting out to achieve. So in conclusion, with benchmarking, we're great believers that the best benchmarking your business can do is to establish its own goals and objectives and then measure its performance towards achieving those goals and objectives. Keeping records and establishing how your business has improved year on year on year will be the most relevant and useful benchmarking that you can do.